How to transfer Dito load balance to GCash, and if this is actually possible. So prepaid load is categorized differently than e-wallet funds. Networks and e-wallets typically disallow converting load into cash to prevent fraud or abuse. So any conversion apps or third-party services that claim to convert load into GCash often carry high fees, long waiting times, and might not be reliable or sanctioned. So the short answer is you can't actually directly transfer your Dito mobile load balance into GCash or wallet funds since this applies to all networks in the Philippines. Prepaid load is designed for calls or data and not cash conversion. You do have other indirect methods like using GCash to buy data load. This is the pretty much opposite. You can also share or transfer your data load to another data number, but that still keeps it inside the data ecosystem and you won't be able to convert it to cash. You can sell your load informally. Some users offer to send you their load and you agree to send GCash in return. This is informal and an unofficial workaround. But again, you cannot directly transfer your Dito mobile load balance into GCash. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.